Hi, my name is Ahmed Mustafa and I'm a senior computer science student at UNC.
My name is Aladdin Shahabuddin, and I'm studying computer science.
My name is Parker Tuck, and I'm a senior computer scientist.
Hi, my name is Christian Charas. I've been a team member for My Gown No Cap this semester, and I'm a computer science major.
Hi, my name is Ibrahim Al-Kuwaifi, and I'm also a computer science student. We are My Gown No Cap. This is our capstone project for spring 2020. Before I show you our app, let's hear a message from our sponsor, the Director of Customer Experience, Loria Irving.
Congratulations to the Campus Explorer team. Your senior project is one of innovation and quite timely in the times we are in. You all came together with a concept and have now put in the work, the extensive hours to make an outstanding product. And how do I know that? Having never created an app myself, I know it from a consumer standpoint. It's easy to use, it's streamlined, it's well thought out, it takes the next step for you and gives the information in a very clean and simple format that is user-friendly for really any age group. You did a terrific job with this. I'm excited to see where this will go. And most importantly, congratulations on a great senior project in these times. You all showed some incredible grit and tenacity by pulling this through in such a great way despite the circumstances. So best, and I look forward to getting together and having some scrappy ice cream to celebrate.
Our project was to make an app that's called UNT Campus Explorer. This app will make you a pro navigator of the UNT main campus through a very fun and interactive experience that will feel much like a scavenger hunt, with real rewards when you reach a certain amount of points. With our app, students no longer need to feel stressed or overwhelmed about finding their classes in the first day of class. Not only will our app tell you exactly where each building is located, but it will also help you navigate to each building. It will also give you information about each specific building and the services provided in that specific building. I would like to start demoing our app and show you exactly how it works. As you can see on the screen, this is our app, Campus Explorer. When you first open the app, you will have to enter your name, and you will have the options between choosing the dark mode or the bright mode. In my situation, I'm just going to go with the bright mode. When you tap enter, it will take you to the first page in our app, and that's My Points. The first thing you're going to see here is a circular progress bar that indicates how many points you've acquired. And you will also have a tracker of how many buildings you've visited and how many buildings you still have to visit. And there's also a video here that's an introductory video about UNT, which you can play within the app. Or you can choose to click on this button and go to the YouTube app and play it in the YouTube app. When we go back to the app, we can either swipe from left, or we can tap on the top left corner button to open the navigation drawer. And in the top right corner, we have a button that will switch from the dark mode to the bright mode. As you can see here, I can switch between them with no problems. When we open the navigation drawer, we will find a list of all the pages that our app contains. The first one is My Points, and that's the page that I'm on right now. The second one is All Buildings. As you can see, we have a lot of buildings, and we've included all the buildings in main campus. We also included a search functionality that auto-completes. For example, if we type rec, it will basically take us to the recreational center, even though we did not type the whole thing. We also have a map view on the top right corner that will take you to the map view of all the buildings, which shows you exactly where every building is located. If you click on one of these buildings, it will tell you the name of the buildings, like the Honors Hall, and you can also click on the bottom right corner and go to Google Maps to basically navigate to that specific building. If we go back to the app and go back to our list of buildings, we can click on any item of these or any building. When we click on any building, it will take us to the description page, which will have a small description for that specific building. And we also have two different buttons that are Learn More and Get Location. Let me start with Learn More. If you click on Learn More, it will take you to the website for that specific building, where you can actually explore that building, all the services provided at that specific building, and for example, the operation hours. If we go back and click on Get Location, the app will ask you to grant permission to get access to your location. You can allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or deny and don't ask again. Now obviously, if you want to use this feature, you have to allow permission for this app. When we grant permission, the application will find your location and it will find how far you are from that specific building. In our situation, we're about 300 meters away from this building. If we click on it, it's the Abuja Stadium building. And it also says that it's not visited, which means we've never visited this building before, which means we don't have the points for it. And if you remember, in our points, we only had 0 points because we have not visited any of these buildings. To show you an example of a building that we could visit, I'm going to go to a building that I call testing location. This building is basically where I am right now. If we click on testing location, and as you can see, we have the description here, and it was also just for the testing. We can go and click at get location, and it will give you an animation saying that we have visited this building. We are actually in range. As you can see here, it says you are in range and about 76 meters away. And it also says visited. If we go back to our main page, which says my points, it will give you 2 points because we give 2 points per building, and it will say that you've visited one of the buildings and you have 49 to go. Now, if we go to our third page in the application, which is UNT applications, you will have a list of all the applications that UNT students need. For example, if you want to download Canvas, you can basically click on Canvas and it will take you to the Play Store where you can download the app. The next page in the list is Book a Tour. Now, if we click on Book a Tour, we will be taken to the UNT website to book a tour, to go around campus, and you can go to their website and check all the services that they provide. The next one we have is the UNT social media page, which will have all their social media informations like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. If we click on Twitter, it will basically take us to their Twitter page on Twitter. The next one we have is How to Connect. How to Connect will take you to the admission page where you can learn about UNT, the process of getting to UNT. Even if you're not even a student, you can actually know how to connect to UNT, and you can see here that we have a live chat button where you can basically live chat with people from the university. The next page we have is the Contact Us page, which helps you to contact us and tell us what you think about your app, if you found a bug, if you want to give a feedback. And in here you can basically fill in this form, and once you're done, you click on Send. It will take you to your mailing application of choice. It can be Gmail, it can be Outlook, and it will fill in all the information that you need, like the subject, the email, the message. You only have to click on Send. The next page we have is About Us, and as you can see here, we have a pager slider where we have multiple tabs. The first one would be About UNT, where we tell you a little bit about UNT, and you can know a little bit about the university. The next one, we have our admin staff, and then our ambassadors, and then our developers. Now, if you go back and go to the last page we have in our app, it's the settings page. This settings page will help you to basically enable dark mode, which you have access to from outside the settings page, and you can also change the name of the user. As you can see here, if I change the name to just my first name, I go back to the first one, you can see that it will only have my first name. Now, this app will run on multiple screen sizes. It will also run on multiple versions of Android. We hope that you like our app and maybe the university starts using it soon. We also want to thank our sponsors and our professor, Dr. Ludi, in helping us accomplish this project and finish this project on time. Thank you.